Welcome back to the Grand Solar Minimum channel. Today is Wednesday, June 12th, 2019. Looking at our solar wind speeds, sitting at 370.6 kilometers per second with a density of 4.6. Once again, our sun is blank. This now makes 24 consecutive days without a sunspot, 98 days for 2019 so far. Taking a look at our KP indices right now, we're sitting at a 1 with a 24-hour max of 2. Taking a look at the SDO in motion, and we do not have any coronal holes or large coronal holes that will be affecting Earth other than the one that could be expected today. Between now and tomorrow, solar wind speeds are expected to rise. However, there are no G1 geomagnetic storms expected from this solar wind. And taking an article here from SPACEWEATHER.com, Sprites storm over China. Every night, the Chinese Meteor Monitoring Organization, or the CMMO, runs an automated camera in Shandong province monitoring meteor activity above the Yellow Sea. On June 9th, meteors were the least of what optics recorded. It's crazy, says Wang Li. We picked up a spectacular outbreak of red sprites. Sprites are an exotic form of lightning. Unlike normal lightning bolts, which zigzag down to the ground, sprites shoot up. Our cameras caught the sprites flashing alongside a number of meteors, says Li. I can't express in words our amazement. The image above stacks all of the meteors and sprites that captured during the several-hour storm. There are many overlapping events. This type of sprite is a jellyfish with a halo from which short, bright elements grow down nicely. These are produced by stronger, more impulsive lightning strikes. Solar minimum may be boosting sprites. During this phase of the solar cycle, cosmic rays from deep space penetrate the sun's weakening magnetic defenses and enter Earth's atmosphere in greater numbers than usual. Some researchers believe that cosmic rays may provide the ionizing spark that triggers many sprites. If so, stay tuned for more as solar minimum deepens. And now here's Mari.
Thanks, Jake. Corn and soybean planting in the U.S. remains well below average from 2014 to 2018, according to data provided by the USDA. They released a crop progress report June 10th. Historically low planting season is the result of massive flooding affecting much of the top 6 corn-producing states: Iowa, Illinois, Nebraska, Minnesota, Indiana, and South Dakota. Corn production for 2019 into 2020 is forecast to decline 1.4 billion bushels to 13.7 billion, which if realized would be the lowest since the 2015 and 16 growing season. Unprecedented planting delays observed through early June are expected to prevent some plantings and reduce yield prospects. USDA will release its Anchorage report on June 28th, which will provide survey-based indications of planted and harvest area. With sharply lower supplies, use is projected to decline to 425 million bushels to 14.3 billion based on reductions to feed and residual use and exports. Please join us at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow for our live show, where Jake will be going over the latest USDA crop progress report. Thanks for tuning in to GSM. Please like, share, and make sure you're subscribed.